In a world where our eyes are constantly under strain from screens, pollution, and aging, protecting and restoring our vision naturally has never been more crucial. Today, we're uncovering 10 miracle herbs that hold the key to shielding your eyes and rejuvenating your sight. Before we jump into these vision-saving secrets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you valuable health insights. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Ginkgo biloba. Renowned for its ability to enhance cognitive function, Ginkgo biloba also offers significant benefits for eye health. It improves blood flow to the retina, protecting against macular degeneration and glaucoma. Incorporate Ginkgo biloba supplements into your diet to tap into its vision-protecting properties. Bilberry. Often called the vision herb, bilberry is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which can help improve night vision and prevent macular degeneration. Bilberry supplements or teas can be a great addition to your diet for maintaining healthy eyes. Saffron. This precious spice isn't just for culinary delights, it's also a potent ally for your eyes. Saffron contains high levels of antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress and can improve visual acuity, especially in age-related macular degeneration. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in the eyes. Adding turmeric to your meals or taking curcumin supplements can help protect your eyes from various diseases. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, including catechins, green tea supports eye health by protecting against oxidative stress and reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily for its overall health and eye benefits. Marigold. Marigold flowers are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two crucial antioxidants for eye health that protect against blue light damage and macular degeneration. Look for marigold extracts or supplements to bolster your eye health regimen. Eyebright. True to its name, Eyebright has been used traditionally to treat various eye conditions. It contains compounds that reduce inflammation and can alleviate symptoms of eye strain and minor irritations. Eyebright tea or supplements can be beneficial for your eyes. Omega-3. Fatty acids. While not an herb, omega-3 acid in flax seeds and chia seeds are vital for eye health, supporting retinal function and combating dry eye syndrome. Incorporate omega-3 rich seeds into your diet to keep your eyes moist and healthy. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is incredibly rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting overall eye health and helping prevent cataract progression. Amla juice or powder can be an excellent addition to your daily routine for eye protection. Ashwagandha. Known for its stress-reducing properties, ashwagandha also helps protect the eyes from stress and strain by improving the body's resistance to stresses. It can be particularly beneficial for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Incorporating these herbs and supplements into your daily routine can significantly contribute to maintaining and restoring your eye health naturally. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies, and patience will bring you closer to seeing the benefits. We're curious to hear about your experiences with these or any other herbs for eye health. Have you noticed improvements in your vision or eye strain? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your insights not only enrich our content, but also inspire others in our community to take proactive steps toward better eye health. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please share it with friends, family, and anyone who could benefit from natural ways to enhance their vision. Together, we can spread the word about the power of nature in supporting our health and well-being. Thank you for watching. And remember, taking care of your eyes is a crucial part of maintaining your overall health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content designed to empower your journey to better health. Here's to clearer vision and healthier eyes naturally.